Hello everyone. Alright, so the website of the day is Favicomatic or Favicomatic, however you want to pronounce it. This is a website that generates a favicon for your websites and other devices, so TVs to tablets to phones. So the way it works is you upload an image and you can generate the old-fashioned one favicon for your website, or you could download or generate every damn size like it says over here. So that's favicons for multiple devices: iOS, Android, Metro, TVs if you're going to browse on them. And so I just want to show you how it's done. I'm going to click on every damn size just so it generates favicons for all devices. Upload your image. I have one here on the desktop. It's an Among Us the PNG image. And then what it does is a few things. It will first generate code, and this is the code that you have to grab and put in the head section of your HTML document. And so these are basically links to images that is created for you by Favicomatic. And these images are going to be stored here in this favicomatic.zip file that you have to unzip to get them. And so it's important that you grab this code, put it in the head section of your HTML. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to open with, or you can save it as well so you have it. Actually, let me go ahead and save it. So it's here. I'm going to open it up here. It's extracting it. So this is the folder, and inside this folder you're going to get favicons or favicons for every device. So I can kind of go through them so you can see that these are multiple images. Inside this folder as well, this Favicomatic or Favicomatic, there's also a copy of the same code that you see here for your reference. So here it is, and you just use it. You just put this in your project you're working on, and it just works beautifully. It just works automatically. The code is already here for you. One thing you need to pay attention to though is that if you look here in this href or hyperlink reference, it's put in the name of the favicon image or icon right here. This is assuming that you have these images directly in the same folder of the file that you're going to put this code in, right? So if you have a folder and inside that folder you want to put these images somewhere else, you just need to be sure that you're updating the path here to point to these images. If you put these images directly in your folder, the folder that contains the file where you're going to put this code in, then you're fine. You can leave this code as it is. But if, say, you're going to put these images, say you wanted to leave these images in this Favicomatic folder and put this Favicomatic folder directly in your website folder or project folder, then in here in your href, you would need to make sure that you're pointing to Favicomatic first and then to the images. So it would be href is equal to Favicomatic, the name of the folder, slash the particular image, right? The next one will be Favicomatic slash the name of the image. So just be mindful of that, but Favicomatic is great. I use it for my sites. Another thing it has is this Favicometer or Favicometer, however you want to pronounce this. So I'm going to click on this, and it allows you to input any website, and it will tell you that if it has favicons for all kinds of devices. This was very surprising because I put in google.com and it came back saying that Google doesn't have favicons for all devices. I don't know, I can't verify that. I put a website of my brother-in-law, samlabi.com, and I got a check mark, some warning or caution icon, and then this long bar that says no or wrong, and it says 10%. Oh my, no time to waste. Make your website awesome now. You can also click on this to see the details, and you can see there are a lot of red checks and there are some green checks, so I guess that's why we have some green, some caution, and majority of it is red. So it tells you what you got right and what you didn't get right. The funny thing is I actually put their same website, so Favicomatic Favicomatic.com, and then they came back saying that it's 100% hats off to you, sir. So they've done their homework and they're saying that their site has favicons for all kinds of devices. And if I click on details, it kind of checks everything. So use this site to your advantage. Use it to generate your favicons. I use it all the time. I love it. It's been running for a long time. And if you could support them, if you can afford to do that, do it, because it's neat. It's nice. Cool. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, please post down below and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in the next video. All right then. Bye-bye.